up guys, Miss P here, back with another video. I did a flower cut crease. So if you want to know how I got this, hit that subscribe button, like and comment, and then just keep on watching so you can see how I got this flower cut crease. What's up guys, hope you're doing well. I'm starting with my eyeshadow base. This is the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5, and I'm taking that on a P. Louise number 7071 brush, and I'm packing this all over the lid until I get an opaque finish. After I get my entire base down, I'm going in with the Morphe E27 brush and tapping this all over the lid and around the edges of where I just applied the base to get a very smooth and even application. So I'm just using one shadow in my crease for this look. This is because it really doesn't make much sense to add a lot of depth to the crease by building up color, since I'm just going to be covering it up later with the flowers. So I'm using the black shade from the James Charles palette by Morphe and applying the black to my crease with the Morphe M506 brush, flicking the color outwards as I go towards my outer corner to create the shape that I want. Closer to the edge of my crease, I'm doing small circular motions to really get those edges blurred so there aren't any harsh lines. Then I'm going in with the Morphe M513 brush, and I'm going to continue to blur those edges until I'm satisfied with the overall look. So now I'm taking a little bit of Vaseline on a Q-tip and cleaning up my eyelid before I go in and cut my crease. Okay, I'm cutting my crease with the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 5 on a small P. Louise flat brush from the Mirror Mirror collection. So now I'm starting to draw on the flowers. The brush I'm using is a super small detailed art brush. I got this brush from Michaels. It works great for really small intricate work. So I'm just using this brush and the P. Louise base in the shade 0 to draw on the petals. After I get all the petals drawn on, I'm going in with a small flat brush to fill in those petals with the same base. Once I finish filling in all the flowers using a black eyeshadow and a small tapered brush, I'm tapping into the center of each flower to create the pistils. I graduated with a biology degree, so I couldn't help myself, had to throw in some biology in there. Anyway, then I'm going to go in and use another small detail brush to draw the lines for the flowers and then the leaves. I applied some jewels off camera to finish off the flowers, and then I applied some tape to my eyes so I got the sharpest line possible, and again using a black eyeshadow and the same tapered brush I used earlier, and I created a smudge liner. Lastly, I applied some mascara and lashes, and then I moved on to the skin. I used the e.l.f. matte putty primer to prime my face and allowed that to get absorbed by my skin before moving on. For color correction, I'm using the LA Colors concealer in the shade orange and blending that out with a damp sponge. Going in with foundation, this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50 and blending this out with the same damp sponge. To highlight, I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Carmel, and I'm just going to highlight the areas that I typically highlight, which are underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm going to set my highlighted areas with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the shade Banana. And then I'm bronzing up my entire face with the Fenty bronzer in the shade Mocha Miami. I'm highlighting with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter in the shade So Hollywood, and finishing my eyes with some black liner in the waterline and some mascara to the bottom lashes. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner Matte Lip Liner in the shade Brooklyn Thorne, and then I'm going to go in the center of my lips with the NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in the shade Bedtime Flirt. To finish off everything, I set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Then that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you made it this far with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.